Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Netgear Nighthawk step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Netgear Nighthawk router from its box. Locate the power adapter and plug it into a power outlet. Connect the other end of the power adapter into the router's power port. Next, find the Ethernet cable included in the package. Insert one end of the Ethernet cable into the modem. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable into the yellow Internet port on your Nighthawk router. Now, let's turn on the router. Press the power button, usually found on the back or side of the device. Wait for the router to power up, which may take about 1 to 2 minutes. While waiting, look for the Wi-Fi network name, also known as SSID, printed on a label on the router. Grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer and open the Wi-Fi settings. Select the Nighthawk Wi-Fi network from the available options. Enter the password printed on the label to connect to the network. Once connected, open a web browser on your device. Type in the router's default IP address, which is typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0. Press Enter to access the router's login page. You will be prompted to enter a username and password. The default username is usually admin and the default password is password. Once logged in, follow the on-screen setup wizard for initial configuration. You can customize your Wi-Fi network name and password during this setup phase. Be sure to choose a strong password to secure your network. After inputting your preferred settings, click on the Apply or Save button. Wait for the router to reboot if prompted. Once the reboot is complete, reconnect to your new Wi-Fi network if necessary. Finally, ensure all devices you want to connect to the internet can access the new network. Your Netgear Nighthawk router should now be fully set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.